For this demonstration, I'll be using the Island of Mallorca cycling holiday. So to find and book your holiday, on the tour page, find the Prices tab here, and then click the Book Now button. This will open up another window in which you'll see our booking form. You need to select a date you wish to go, how many people are going. Dates will then appear down here, to which you then select the date, and the end date will autofill. After this, click Continue. Up now we'll load step 2, where your tour price is broken down at the top here, and you may add any extras that you wish. I will add 2 rental bikes to this booking. And when you're finished here, click Continue, which will move on to step 3, where every option that you have chosen is broken down for you. You may check your holiday dates and overall cost. If you're happy with this, you go ahead and fill in the information below. Now here, you would enter if you wanted a double, a twin, triple, single room, and how many of each you require. Any special requirements should then be placed in this box here. Once you're happy with all the information you've provided, click Continue. Make a final check of everything here, making sure everything is correct. And then at this point you decide whether you wish to pay the required deposit or the full balance. Then confirm you've read and accepted our terms and conditions. And then at step 4 you will click Continue. At this point you'll be forwarded to our secure payment page, which will load up out here. If you have a PayPal account, you may log in at the top. If not, you can go down to the bottom here and select your country, your card type, put all your information in with your address, which will obviously have to match the address that you provided in the lead contact booking. And then click Pay Now, and that's it.